Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust DPI settings on a mouse sensitivity in Windows 10 or 11. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. To make the video more informative, I will teach you how to change any mouse settings, including sensitivity. Sometimes it happens that you can accidentally reset one or another setting of your mouse, so today we will learn how to reset the settings to default values and change mouse sensitivity. So right click on the start icon and select settings. From all this list, we need to select the devices, then choose mouse on the left side of the screen. Great. Then on the right side you can select the first setting and, for example, resize the pointer, make it huge or change its color, but that's not what we are here for. Go back and select the second additional mouse options setting. In the window that opens, select pointers and click use default, then apply and OK. In the third section of pointer options, you can change the sensitivity of your mouse and make it faster. That's how easy it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.